Tea tree, the herbal cleaning champion for a spotless, fresh home. Let's talk about tea tree, a herb that's small in stature but mighty in impact. You might know it as the stuff in your acne cream or shampoo, but this Australian wonder, from the Melaleuca alternifolia plant, is a secret weapon for keeping your home clean, dust-free, and grime-free without the chemical chaos or time-sucking chores. Who enjoys cleaning? Not me. Luckily, tea tree steps up with its zesty, medicinal scent and a slew of natural benefits that make your space sparkle, purify the air, and cut your cleaning time in half. Also, you can reclaim your spare time for things that actually matter, like a good book or a nap. Here's why tea tree deserves a spot in your cleaning lineup, with its top benefits and easy ways to use it. Say hello to a fresher home and goodbye to the scrub-a-thon naturally. 1. Kills germs and mold like a natural disinfectant. Benefit: tea tree oil is a germ-slaying superstar, thanks to terpenin for all, its main active compound. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral, making it a ninja against bacteria, mold, and mildew that lurk on surfaces or in damp corners. How it helps cleaning: you get a deep, sanitary clean without bleach or harsh fumes, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere grime festers. How to use it: surface spray. Mix 10 drops tea tree oil with 1 cup water and half a cup vinegar in a spray bottle. Spritz counters, sinks, or cutting boards. Wipe with a cloth for a germ-free finish. Mold fighter. Add 20 drops to a cup of water, shake well, and spray on shower tiles or musty spots. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse, or wipe. Mold doesn't stand a chance. Time saver. 1 spritz disinfects fast. No need for multiple cleaners or hours of soaking. 2. Banishes odors with a fresh, clean scent. Benefit: tea tree doesn't just mask smells, it wipes them out. Its crisp, medicinal aroma neutralizes funky odors from trash, pets, or sweaty gym bags, leaving your home smelling genuinely fresh, not like a fake pine forest. How it helps cleaning: a stink-free space feels cleaner without extra scrubbing, odors vanish, and you're not chasing them with endless sprays. How to use it: trash can fix. Drop a few drops of tea tree oil on a cotton ball and tuck it in your bin, smells gone before they escape. Carpet refresher. Blend 10 drops with a cup of baking soda, sprinkle on rugs, wait 15 minutes, then vacuum. Odors lift, dust goes with them. Time saver. Quick odor control means less time airing out rooms or deep, cleaning fabrics. 3. Repels dust-causing pests naturally. Benefit: tea tree's potent scent is a natural pest repellent. Dust mites, spiders, and ants hate it. Fewer bugs mean less dirt tracked in and fewer allergens stirring up dust. How it helps cleaning: it prevents mess at the source, cutting down on cobwebs, mite droppings, and the dust they kick up. How to use it: dust mite defense. Mix 5 drops tea tree oil with 1 cup water, mist mattresses or pillows lightly, and let dry. Vacuum after. Mites retreat, dust stays low. Bug blocker. Dab tea tree oil on cotton pads in place near windows or doors, or wipe baseboards with a diluted mix to keep crawlers out. Time saver. Less pest mess equals less sweeping and dusting. Your broom gets a break. 4. Cuts through grease and sticky grime. Benefit: tea tree solvent-like properties break down grease and sticky residues, making it a champ for tackling kitchen messes or gummy spots that attract dust. It's tough on grime but gentle on your lungs. How it helps cleaning: you can zap stubborn gunk fast, keeping surfaces spotless without synthetic degreasers that leave a film. How to use it: kitchen cleaner. Combine 10 drops tea tree oil, 1 tablespoon dish soap, and 1 cup water. Wipe down stovetops, ovens, or greasy cabinets. Grime lifts effortlessly. Sticky spot fix. Rub a drop of tea tree oil on a cloth to remove adhesive residue, crayon marks, or gum from floors or furniture. Clean in seconds. Time saver. Grease gone in 1 pass, no soaking or scrubbing marathons needed. 5. Polishes and protects for a lasting shine. Benefit: tea tree doesn't just clean, it adds a protective layer that repels dust and keeps surfaces gleaming longer. Its natural oils nourish wood and metal while fighting bacteria buildup. How it helps cleaning. Shiny surfaces stay cleaner, cutting how often you have to polish or wipe down. How to use it. Furniture polish. Mix a 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and 10 drops tea tree oil. Dab on a cloth, buff wood tables or chairs, dust slides off, shine sticks around. Steel shine. Add a drop to a damp cloth and polish stainless steel appliances, no streaks, just sparkle and a subtle scent. Time saver. Longer lasting clean means fewer touch-ups, your home stays spotless with less work. Why tea tree shines for cleaning. Tea tree isn't just another pretty plant, it's a proven performer. It's terpene for all, up to 40% in quality oils. It is a natural antiseptic that's been used by Indigenous Australians for centuries, and modern studies back its germ-killing, odor-busting chops. Unlike chemical cleaners that irritate your skin or leave toxic residues, tea tree is safe, biodegradable, and pairs perfectly with your herbal vibe. You can grab the essential oil from small producers or markets, pure, potent, and planet-friendly. The time-saving magic? Tea tree prevents mess buildup, fewer pests mean less dust, no odors mean less scrubbing, and its protective shine stretches out cleaning intervals. It's a one-herb wonder that does the heavy lifting so you don't have to. How to get tea tree into your cleaning game. Ready to let tea tree take over? Here's your playbook. Source it. Buy pure tea tree essential oil, look for organic or wild harvested from small suppliers, skip diluted blends. A little bottle lasts ages. Start simple. Try the surface spray or carpet refresher first, see how fast it works, then branch out. Store smart. Keep your tea tree mixes in dark glass bottles, labeled and ready for action. Test first. Dilute and patch test on delicate surfaces, like painted wood, it's strong stuff. No plant to grow? No worries, tea tree oil is all you need, and it's a steal for the punch it packs. The bottom line. Tea tree is your herbal MVP for a cleaner, fresher, low-maintenance home. It kills germs, banishes odors, repels pests, cuts grease, and polishes surfaces, all naturally, so you ditch the toxins and reclaim your time. No more hours lost to scrubbing or choking on fumes, just a quick, effective clean that leaves your space spotless and your spirit lifted. Cleaning's still not my jam, but with tea tree, it's fast, fresh, and dare I say, almost satisfying? So, skip the chemical soup and let tea tree work its magic. Your home will gleam, your air will zing, and you'll have time to kick back, because who's got hours for chores? Not us.